and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you're an oldie but still goodie, welcome back. I say welcome to my channel. Hey, welcome to my channel. Welcome
Girl,
back.
come on, let's get this going. Look, I know it's been a minute since y'all seen me, but y'all already know who I am, baby. Y'all
They
already
love
know.
my intro.
Look. I don't know why she really thought we was gonna be done, y'all. Made a whole video for nothing. I'm finna make her delete that one.
Anyway,
I'm finna make her delete that
this
joint.
is my boyfriend.
Y'all already know who I am.
Okay, but anyway, his name is Derek.
DG.
Oh, DG, whatever.
Yes, sir.
So we're coming to you with a video. We're going to do like the couples taste challenge. We're gonna do that. Basically, how it works, we're gonna blindfold each other with this little piece of
like
cloth
a
right here.
headband.
It is like an African headband.
Yeah.
And we pick some condiments. I pick like 6. He picked 6. We don't know what it is.
5.
Oh, okay, that's cool. We can do 5. He doesn't know what it is that I got, and I don't know what it is he got. So we're gonna blindfold each other. He gonna put a spoon of it in my mouth, and I have to guess it. And if I guess it right, I get a point. And if he gets it wrong, if I get it wrong, then I just get it wrong.
We ain't doing nothing if we
lose,
lose,
because
right?
we eating stuff.
Yeah, okay. So yeah.
I'm going to go first and put the blindfold on myself, and he's just gonna. You got a spoon?
Oh, we
he's
supposed
just
to not
gonna.
use the same
It's
one?
fine. He's just gonna put it in my mouth. And I have to guess what it is.
You know, mix germs and
He forever be getting up during the video.
I ain't getting nothing that's nasty, and then I just got.
Okay.
I didn't really get nothing
I'm
different.
ready.
Okay. I mean, I didn't really want to get nothing hella nasty at all. Actually, I wouldn't, because I don't want nothing nasty. I won't do that. It's nothing nasty. I promise you.
This piece of sauce.
Okay, but yeah. I told you it wasn't nothing nasty.
1 point for me.
It's gonna be stuff you know.
Just double it. Can you see? How many fingers?
I really don't know.
Okay.
Please. Jesus Christ. You ready already? Hold on,
no,
I ain't
wait.
ready.
I'll
okay.
tell you.
I just hope it ain't nothing I don't like now.
Okay.
Is it like powdery? Or is
No,
it like,
it's
okay,
in a
liquid? Can. Oh my freaking God.
What is it?
Salsa, right?
What kind?
Chunky salsa? Mild? I don't know.
Mild. What kind?
What you mean, what kind?
What kind? Like flavor or something?
Salsa?
What kind of sauce?
Chili? Chili salsa? Is it such
You
thing
get a
as chili?
half a point.
Hold on. I mean, it tastes like chili salsa. Oh, you saying like what style? Like taco?
Like, yeah, like what kind is it?
Oh, like what for what it
Is
go
it like, yeah.
for? Nachos? No?
Yeah.
I don't think I got that
You
right.
get like a half point.
Okay, I'll take that.
It's this. Chipotle and lime
Chipotle.
salsa. So it was salsa. So he get like a half a point.
It's still salsa.
He get a point. He get a point.
You really just trying to do me in.
So we each got a point. It's my turn. Here.
I got my own spoon.
Oh, okay.
Alright. It's liquidy, so
Okay. Oh.
I ain't giving you too much either. You ready? Ah.
This is disgusting. This mayo.
Yeah.
That's nasty.
Ooh, yeah, this kind of trifling. I don't even know why you get this kind. This kind is trifling on anything. Alright. Yeah. I was gonna get the blue cheese.
It's all the way down in my throat. Ooh, who eating that on sandwiches?
Why you get it there?
The kids like them. We got that good old H2 to the Izzo. Mayo disgusting. What y'all saying?
Use the other side.
Fat.
Okay now.
Damn.
I'm poking my eyes out, baby. You ain't even know already. Alright. It's a little thin, but I can't see nothing, but I see like right.
Are you not? Are you looking?
I can't see.
Okay.
But I am. My eyes are open, but I can't see nothing.
Okay, I'm about to open
Just put it on me, man. Just put it on me.
Okay, baby. Okay, turn around.
Ah!
Eat it. What is it?
One of them olives?
Yeah.
Oh.
Olives fire. You don't like olives?
No.
So he got 2 points. I got.
Okay, it's kind of.
I got 2 points.
Yeah,
Too.
I think we tied.
Cause we don't have no real stuff for real.
We just doing this for the fun. It ain't like if we lose, ain't nobody doing nothing because tasting food is kind of enough.
It's just funny.
Yeah.
I will give you the world, baby girl. That mayo was nasty.
Now I don't know. I think you might not want to do this one. Okay, I gotta put it in your mouth with my finger, so be ready.
Okay. It's the blue cheese.
Ooh, that crap stank. It's good.
It's okay.
You straight swallowing that stuff. You ain't swallow that mayonnaise though.
We ain't about to waste my blue cheese. Shit. Well, it's so ugh.
Girl, my head is not that big.
Yes,
though.
it is, babe.
I think that's the hair. I can't see nothing. It's dark. What?
Yeah. Okay.
Y'all see that lint? Oh yeah. I forgot y'all was around when I ain't had nada. Remember that? Now that boy got some lint.
Okay.
Woo! Any barbecue sauce?
No. Take it off. You already guessed one. It's steak sauce.
Oh,
I got it wrong.
that was good though.
It was.
A little salty, but
We don't have nothing to put it on, so we
why
don't
is me even getting steak sauce?
I got it because I put it on something that wasn't meat.
Oh,
I put it on the fish to try to see how it tastes.
all the fish I had yesterday. That's
No,
what that was?
the other fish I could. I put it on there. It was fire.
It was fire though, by itself.
Ooh, this
Look,
cute.
nigga, minced meat, boy. Straight minced meat.
All right, it's your turn. Okay.
Damn, what I do my spoon? Oh, there you go.
Ugh. I still got blue cheese on my
Ugh,
tongue.
that stuff, man. I should just let you smell it for real, for real. This one is liquid. She might like this anyway. Oh yeah, she gonna like this. You ready?
Uh-huh.
I think you're gonna like it anyway. I'm not gonna make you guess the exact name. Just tell me what it is.
It tastes like juice.
That's your final answer. What type of juice tastes like that?
I need some more.
Okay, hold on.
Cause I don't know.
Okay, here another. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
What type of juice tastes like that?
I don't know.
What? You want me to just tell you?
We say salty.
It's salty, I bet.
Is that the well, you would have gave me one of them artichokes.
No,
Is it some kind of seasoning? Cause I taste some pepper.
it's some type of seasoning.
I don't know what it is.
It's some dressing.
What kind of dressing?
This one right here.
Oh, I haven't eaten in a long time. Look how empty that is.
Yeah, no, I didn't
You
really.
cheated.
What?
Uh,
Jesus Christ.
The struggle. No, I'm just
Yeah, I know.
What? That is a struggle. I'm just playing.
That you just playing? Mm-hmm.
Can you see?
No, I can't. I promise you, I can't see.
Okay.
I can barely open my eyes. Please don't tell me it's some crap.
You ready?
No, we said condiments.
We said stuff you can eat. What is it?
Girl, what? NyQuil? Shoot. Gonna have me over here drowsy.
It's not. It's Dayquil. It's for the daytime. You got something else?
Yeah, I got something else.
Hold on. They put the thing on.
Can't believe you.
Okay.
My sinus gonna be cleared up. Shoot.
Shit. Sinus, that's not even
Oh, well, look, here we go. This one is powder form. You ready?
Ooh.
I don't want you to choke, though, so, like...
Come on.
Because it's kind of like that cinnamon challenge crap.
Cinnamon challenge.
But it ain't cinnamon.
All right, come on.
Okay, but it's like that form, so please be careful when you swallow this.
Babe.
No, don't give it to you?
Yeah,
Oh.
just give me a little.
Damn. Oh, shit.
You know
I
what?
wasted some. I didn't waste it, so. You ready? Here we go. You see how, you gotta be careful. Yeah, maybe she never did that.
What is it? Pepper.
Paprika.
It's disgusting. It tastes sugary, spicy.
I thought paprika was spicy.
We got a peculiar taste.
6, okay.
I just was grabbing stuff.
Girl, I swear my head ain't that big.
Okay, is it on there?
Yeah, it's on there.
Oh, that'll be cute if you put this on your head. Okay.
Oh. Girl, you give me some good stuff. What's that? Apple juice?
No, it's not no apple juice.
That's not juice?
Yeah, what kind?
Pineapple juice?
No, it's 2.
Give me some more.
What?
I don't know. I need more.
You just thirsty, nigga.
So it is juice though, right?
Yeah, it's juice.
Okay. Cranberry juice.
Yeah.
There we go. I have to think, because what juice did you get that I don't... Okay. Okay.
You cheating.
What? That's your fault for getting stuff that we already know that we drink.
That's good.
Come on, give me another one of yours. I'm tripping.
Okay.
That was easy. That was a little too easy. I can't believe I even got 2 strikes.
You
in
got
that.
2 things. It took you 2 times.
Okay, but it was still easy.
Look at that. Let me put that on your head. It'd be cute.
Let me see. Talking about like this?
No, the other way. But yeah, dudes do that.
I think so.
Yeah.
What the way?
You can do it like that, or maybe and put it up, like to hold your dreads.
Yeah, true.
It'll be okay if you put it on there right. You sexy.
I don't know how to put it on there right. I know it's kind of thin. All right.
You ready?
Yep.
Okay. Okay. All right, open up. What is it?
That crap real sugary.
What is
The
it?
strawberry syrup.
Yeah.
That was easy.
It's gonna be easy.
Okay.
Put your head back. Open your mouth. Come on. Open your mouth.
Make sure it hit my tongue.
I got you. Put your head back. Where you going? Here. You like that? No, you don't. If you
It
can't,
ain't that bad, but it just tastes like tea, but I know what it is.
what?
Honey, I know.
Ah, okay.
Okay, it wasn't that bad.
It wasn't. Okay, so that's our challenge. I think I won. I don't know who won, but
I guess
whatever.
you
We
won
lost.
because I messed up more than once, I
Yeah,
guess.
and we lost track, but that was our video, like the couples taste challenge or whatever the case. We
My
just
stomach
wanted
feel
to
weird now.
we just wanted to do some fun. I really hope y'all enjoyed it.
We're going to be back with another one with the Bean Boozle challenge.
Bean Boozle challenge. And we're gonna try to think of some. If y'all have any like couple video ideas, put them down below in the comment section so we can do those for y'all. And y'all know your girl had more videos coming with my silly self. But yes, don't forget to like and comment and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to visit me on Instagram at Musics44, and you can go to his Instagram
At DG__X. Oh, matter of fact, I think it is that. DG__XX.
and I'll put it down below in,
Yeah, she gonna do it
in
anyway.
the little description box. But until next time, peace.